Hi, my name is Lawrence Price, and today I'd like to really talk to you a little bit about continuous improvement, Lean Six Sigma. This video is really going to kind of provide an overview of what the DMAIC process is and just kind of talk to you about it at a high level. I'll be creating some other videos to talk about specific tools that you can use as a part or within the DMAIC process. But let's, on today, just kind of focus in on what the DMAIC process is. So I'm going to pull up a visual here to just kind of walk us through and just kind of talk us through a couple of things. So here you kind of see, basically a high level kind of process map, a walkthrough of what DMAIC is. So DMAIC is an acronym that stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So within the define phase, you really are kind of focusing on really building out that project charter. So what is the actual problem statement that we're working on, and making sure that that problem statement is stated from the perspective of the customer, and it's a problem that the customer cares about. And then what are the significant business benefits that are going to result in actually addressing that problem. Measure phase is really about establishing the current baseline. What is the current state? Level of performance that's involved in the process, if they're assuming that there's a process at all. And then what are those robust KPIs that we really want to look at? Most of the time we're talking about a lagging indicator when we're talking about those KPIs that we're looking at in the measure phase, and then kind of working our way forward to really identify perhaps some leading indicators that are connected to those lagging indicators. In the analyze phase, we're starting to look at root causes and really understand the problem at a more detailed level, and understanding what are some of the drivers for it, what are some of the root causes that are impacting the customer and the way that we want to fix or resolve. In the improve phase, you're now starting to come up with potential solutions in order to address the problem that you identified, or the root causes that you identify in the analyze phase. And then finally, in the control phase, you're thinking about how do we make sure that we're really embedding this change and making sure that it sticks long term. So if you're a change management practitioner, this is where those lights should be going off for you, is because we're thinking about what processes, what things can we do to make sure that the improvement that we've made is able to impact the company long term, and we're able to basically ramp down the project at that point. So that's the DMAIC process. And so when we talk about Lean Six Sigma, there are different tools and techniques and things like that that a Lean Six Sigma practitioner can be using in each of these 5 different phases within DMAIC. And so subsequent videos, we'll talk about a few of those and some of my more favorite ones, and kind of walk you through it. So this is a great introduction to what DMAIC is, and I'm looking forward to just kind of building out this series. So if you like this video, please definitely hit the like button for us, and then also subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and take care.